All right, so the next topic I want to cover is arithmetic operators. These essentially are like plus, minus, multiplication, exponent, how you perform mathematical operations in Python. Now, just something to keep in mind when we're performing and using arithmetic operators, we have to make sure that the data types on the left and right-hand side of these operators, otherwise known as the operands, are the same data type or are both numbers. First one is the plus sign. We can add 9 plus 3, or in this case, I could add x plus y. So x is 9, y is 3. If I make this 3.5, this works totally fine. Of course, I can do the subtraction. I can do the multiplication, which is an asterisk, and I can do the division. Just keep in mind that the maximum precision in Python, I believe, is 13 decimal points. If I actually have, say, 9 over 3, of course, you know that that answer is 3, and that is a whole number, right? The reason for that is because whenever we use the division operator, it returns a float because it does not know if it's going to need to represent a floating point or it's going to have to represent some level of precision. Next, we have exponent, so that's 2 asterisks like that. This will raise x to the power y. So we can see what that gives us, and 29. And then next we have floor division. So what I'm going to do here is actually make this a 10. Have a guess at what you think this is going to give, but this gives us 3. The reason it gives us 3 is because this will give us the integer result of whatever the division is. Next is mod. This is the percent sign. This returns to us the remainder after a division. In this case, 10 mod 3 is going to be, well, the answer is 9, and then remainder 1.